This video is about the Nova Zoom Rolling Walker series. It comes in 4 seat heights, the Zoom 18, Zoom 20, 22, and 24. In this video, I'm going to show you the very quick and easy assembly, the great features, and then how to use your Zoom. So go ahead and take your walker out of the box, and you will find the walker and then also the backrest. And you are going to see these 2 rubber looking hats. Go ahead and remove them, and then you're just going to discard them. They're just for packaging. Go ahead and insert the handles into the holders and just do it to where it stops. And then you're going to squeeze the brakes and push outward, and that opens up your walker. So now I'm going to show you how to adjust the handles to your desired height. Now, the height adjustment screws are already inserted through there for good safekeeping. Go ahead and unthread it, and then just adjust the handle to your desired height. I recommend adjusting the handle to your wrist. That way you have a nice 30-degree bend on your elbow, so that's a good starting point. Go ahead and thread the star knob all the way through to the other end, and then make sure it's nice and tight. And then adjust the other side to the exact same height adjustment. All right, now your handles are installed and also adjusted. Now we're going to put on the backrest. So on your backrest, you'll see 2 brass buttons. Make sure they are facing upward. Go ahead and insert them into the holder, and then give those brass buttons a push down, and then just snap that backrest right in place. So now your Zoom is all put together and ready to go. All right, I'm going to go over the great features. First are our hand brakes. They come with this comfort molded hand grip, so it will be so comfortable on your hands. And then this feather touch braking system. It is so easy to control these brakes. So that way you can control your tires and your speed and your stability by just pulling upward. And then to lock the brakes, you just simply push down on the lever, and bam, your walker is in a parked locked position. And it's in this parked locked position that you can sit down and get comfortable. So with the walker parked, go ahead and sit down and make sure your brakes are always locked in that parked position while you are seated, and stays that way when you are seated. So then you can go ahead and use it for support to get up, and then when you're ready to go ahead and release those brakes, and then you are ready to rock and roll. All right, so it comes with this nice padded seat, very comfy. It flips up. There's lots of room in the storage for your personal belongings, and also it keeps them really safe and secure out of sight. There's a little pocket in there for your cell phone, so it's easy to find. And then to fold it, it's so easy. Go ahead and pull up on the bar. And then this Zoom comes with a lock and load. This is a patented feature that keeps your walker in a folded, locked position. Go ahead and insert the lock and load. It's essentially a hinge stopper into the hinge. It keeps the walker locked and folded. And then once you get it out of your car, go ahead and gently push down on the lock and load, squeeze the brakes, and push outward. See how easy it is to fold and unfold. All right, so this is the Zoom 18-inch in the beautiful pink color. And then I'm also showing you the 24-inch, so you can see the height difference in the red. It comes with 8-inch wheels, and also you'll see our warranty information in the user guide, and also how to contact us. All right, so that's Nova Zoom. We hope you enjoy your walker.